Guys, I am Lokesh Reddy from CSC Department Ashankara ASIT. Today we are discussing about in Tech Talk holographic memory. In holographic memory, we can discuss some important points. Introduction: what is holographic memory? What is HVD? Structure of HVD? How HVD works? In HVD works writing data, reading data, advantages of HVD, limitation and challenges, how HVD compares with other storage devices, and last finally conclusion. Introduction: a hologram is a 3D image reduced from the pattern interfaces. The holography technique was invented in 1948 was the invention Dennis Gabar. It can store up to one of information in a sugar club size crystal. It promises to be the data storing system of the future. Hence, holographic storage system has the potential to become next storage generation over constellation storage system. What is holographic memory? Holographic memory is a three-dimensional data store system that can store information that high density inside the crystal or photopolymer. It is a memory that can store information in the form of holographic image. Like other media, holographic media is divided into write ones where the storage medium undergoes some individual change, and re-readable media where the change is reversible. In we can see here capacities of other HVDs and capacity of holographic memory is the height. It is in a TB storage, others are GB. And we can see here HVD compares with other storages devices. Initial cost for a recordable disk, initial cost for a recorder player, and the initial storage capacity, real write speed. Is the HVD system writing data. When the blue argon laser is focused, a beam splitter splits it into two beams, reference beams and the signal beam. The signal beam passes through a SLM where digital information organized in page like front of ones and zeros is modulated onto the signal beam as two-dimensional pattern of brightness and darkness. When the two beams meet the interface pattern, that is the creator store the data that can be carried by the signal beams onto the surface of the holographic material as a hologram. The HVD system reading type. In order reference and reconstruct the holographic page of data store in the crystal of reference beam shined into the crystal at externally the same angle at which is entered to store that the page of data. And limitations and challenges: it is a very difficult to arrange all those components like a CCD camera, CLM arrows and beam steering devices. Needs good recording sensitive materials to allow high data transfer rate. If too many pages are stored in one crystal, the strength of each hologram gets diminished. Holographic bracelet disk structure: green writing, read laser, read pronunciation addressing laser, hologram, polychrome, photopolymeric layer, connecting layer, distance layer, decaloric layer, aluminum reflective layer, transparent base. Now we can see holographic bracelet disk. Those disks have the capacity to hold up to 3.9 terabyte. It is in TB of information, which is approximately 6000 times the capacity of CD-ROM, 830 times the capacity of a DVD, 160 times the capacity of single layer Blu-ray disc, and about 8 times of capacity of standard computer hard device. As a 2007, the HVD also has transferred the rate of components. Most holographic storage system contains some components basics to the step up. Those are the laser beam, split laters to the split the laser beam, mirrors to direct the laser beam, a liquid crystal display panel, lasers to focus the laser beam, recording material, CCD cameras. Applications, we can see these are three types: petaflop computing, data mining, future computing system. And we can see here advantages: resistance to damage. If some parts of the mediums are damaged, all information can still be obtained from other parts. Efficient retrieval, all information can be retrieved from any part of the medium. Fault and damage tolerance, the HVD also has transfer rate of while reading a page, the entire page of the data can be retrieved quickly and at one time. And conclusion, finally we are discussing about conclusion. The future of holographic memory is a very promising. The holographic store provides high data density. It can easily store 1000 GB of data in small cubic centimeters crystal, reducing the cost. On the other hand, it may offer high data transfer rate, but even then the holographic way of storing data is still at the base stage, and it may takes other couple of years for the technique to hit a desktop with a real life data storage solution. However, this technology itself a designing and aims to light up the desktop experience. These are the basic explanation of holographic memory. In holographic memory, we have discussed about introduction, what is holographic memory, what is HVD, structure of HVD, how HVD working. In HVD working, there are two types: writing data, reading data, limitation and challenges, advantages of HVD, conclusion. I hope you all understand you all. Thank you for giving this opportunity.